Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. Should be live on TikTok. Think I'm live on YouTube, that I see. Let me get things set up on YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Live trading. We're going to have some fun. Kind of hope there's no news today, but if there's news, that's fine. We'll crush it. I don't understand where. I changed those words for YouTube is because I've changed them everywhere and yet it's not showing. Kind of weird. Today is the 8th, Monday, July 8th. Monday morning. We're going to be back at it. We're going to kick some ass. All right, what you're watching is a playback. Let me speed this up a little bit. Playback of the US 30 call outs I did last night. This is just one of them. I did it multiple times actually. Speed that up a little bit for you guys. I hope you all notice we're trading US 30. I hope you all notice the time frame we're using. I don't think people on TikTok can see that. All right, I believe we're set up now. Let me get over to TikTok and refresh that so we can actually see what you guys are saying. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, KC and Martar and Bob Uten. Good morning, Lightfish and MT. Good morning. What do we got over here? Jones 808 and Kelly McMahon and Joseph. Good morning, Martar. Thanks for being on both, Bob and KC. Appreciate that. I have my usual 4 buys open still. SPX, NAS, AUS USD, and US 30. This is just a trade that I called out last night. I told you all to look for something and to pay attention to it. I hope you all listened because this is some crazy shit. Right here, what you're watching, this one is a sell stop to the blue line. Everybody here knows that. I want you all to look at the time frames I'm showing you, though. I want you all to see the time frames. This is your money. And I guess over here I can move this a little bit for you. If you people on TikTok can see that, you're going to laugh your ass off. Look at the time frame. It was a sell stop to the blue line, and it was called to the 15-second blue line, US 30 NAS and SPX. See sell stops right here? Watch. This is the money. Sell stop Fill in the gap, fill in the gap, fill in the gap, fill in the gap. Sell, stop again. Over and over and over again, it does it. What time frame am I trading here? Anyone can see it? Maybe YouTube TikTokers can't see that. Morning, Larry. Morning, Johan. Morning, Raider Trader. Thanks for being on both, guys. Good morning, Mr. C. What's up, Mr. C? Good morning, Eric, Stefan, Nathan. Anybody can see the time frame that this trade is playing out on. Thank you, Casey. Correct. 1 second charts. People are like, what the fuck? And by the way, let's be clear. This is a 1 second buy stop to the blue line right here on a buy. It did a sell and then it's doing the buy. Crazy. Crazy shit. All right, let me get myself working out here. I did all my stuff this morning, did my grounding, did everything. It was a fantastic morning so far. I'm on day 4 or 5 of my extended fast. And loving it. A little tired this morning. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Casey. Yeah, 1 second time frames. US 30. Now, I do not recommend this. I don't say that. Don't do that. But yeah, it's more than possible. These already hit. I know NAS and US 30 hit. So we're going to go to our 30-second instead. We're going to look over here. We're going to close this down. Let's see. Sell stop, US 30 back to its 30-second blue line. Sell stop, US 30. Sell stop, NAS. Play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second sell stops, US 30 NAS, and SPX to the US 30 blue line. If it goes down, take it. Now, if you don't want to play in these hyper fast, small time frames that pretty much is a silliness, then swing on up here. Let's take a read. US 30. Buy stop, 3-minute. Buy stop, 5-minute. Buy stop, 10-minute. US 30. Buy stop, 1 hour. I'm already in these. These orange lines are labeled. Weekly, daily was here. 620, 625, 2 times here, by the way, for US 30. 4-hour buy. 12-hour daily. Daily, weekly buy. Yeah, there it is. Daily, weeklies. You can see it. How cute. Wow. Okay. Not only am I calling it out, but you saw the signal servers calling it out accurately too, by the way. So these are your daily, weekly buys. I would stay in this trade. Look for any buy stops above the 3-minute mark. Look for any buy stops US 30 until this pink line touches this blue line. Okay? Or the fill in the gap happens, which is this right here. Oh, I separated this. Yeah, let's try that. There we go. until this histogram bar goes through the buy line right here, or the pink goes up and touches the blue, either or. Look for any buy stop US 30, period. Good morning, Brian Claus. Gold was sweet sell stop to its 3-minute line. Might do neither a fin. Financial Mr. C. Yes. Oh shit. Thanks, Mr. C. Fuck. Thanks, buddy. Forgot about that. All right. I am not a financial advisor. Neither is Mr. C or anyone associated with this channel. Not financial advisor, but we do have a trademark issued from the United States of America Patent and Trademark Office. Registered number. This isn't applied for. We have it. This is legally protected for the safety trade system and all of its indicator issued to me and my wife for a class 41. What is a class 41? It means coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. Yep, federal government. Also, as so noted, pointed out by Mr. C, I am not a financial advisor, neither is anyone associated with this channel or in here. I am just a social media influencer, not even a good one at that. I do have a fucking cool system and a fucking cool store. Quality merchandise, wore it in St. Thomas, St. John for a week. Tank top and the hats, just quality, amazing. I got white, so it was really good down there. It's pretty hot. So if you realize that this is a legally NDA protected program, trademark protected program, patent pending protected program, and that you guys are adults, make your own decisions. I'm not a financial advisor. And that we only trade the green up arrow and the red down arrow, please type yes. Thank you, Ms. C. Fucking forgot about that one. Thank you, Ms. C. Already typed yes. Appreciate that, Raider Trader and Larry and KC. So here we go. So that's US 30 callouts. Am I clear on the US 30 callouts? Does everybody understand what I said? Does everybody understand where I came from? Does everybody understand the callouts? Yes or no? Yes, 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 yes. Here we go. NAS, SPX, already called the lower time frames. NAS, SPX, 3-minute. Let's see. Buy stop, 5-minute. Fill in the gap, 10-minute. It's too late. You already took it. 15-minute. You have to let this pull back down again. It's too late. 30-minute, 1 hour. Should have already been in this trade. It'll pull back down and come up again later on today. Don't worry about it. But for now, yeah, you're a little late. All these lines that you see right here, these orange lines are drawn by me. NAS buy stop on 624, 1 hour buy stop, 1, 2, 3 times I told you to do these buys back here when they were occurring. Told you. These clearly see buy stop after buy stop after buy stop, broken Bach, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop again and again and again. So there you go. Should have been in here. You'd have been over 600 pips up. Dailies. Play any. You'll love this. Play any buy stops from 3-minute on up, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour, and dailies. Play any buy stops until this pink line touches that blue line. You already have the fill in the gap completed here, right here. So it is kind of, you can close down one of your buys if you want. I'm not. I'm waiting till this goes up to here. This is your sniper. This is based off of the Bach, which is the most important indicator ever made. This thing up here, I just pulled the 2 lines out, changed the colors for you. That's all that is. When this comes up and touches, I'll lock in more profit, but I'm not going to close the trade. I'm just going to let it run. They're called runners in the system. The same call out I make for NAS is the same for SPX. You can clearly see this is SPX right here. Look inside of here if you don't know what I'm talking about. Because people over there, well, they're not the same. This isn't that. Get the whatever, watch. Right inside of here. This is SPX daily. See where it's pink and blue is, and this thing right here, look at it. This is NAS daily, SPX daily, NAS daily. There's no difference, in other words. There really isn't. And no, you don't have to have 5 charts open. No, you don't have to have 10 charts open. No, you don't have to confirm anything. What you have to have is patience. What you see on these charts takes days, tons of hours, days, weeks to develop. If you think you're going to get in a daily gold trade and get out in 5 minutes or a day, you're wrong. One of our members learned a valuable lessons. My wife, beautiful wife, heart of just the kindest person I know, nicest person I know, brings out the best in me, wife, Bree. I can't speak highly enough of her. She does so much for you guys. It's crazy. She, and I have written down, the love language for trading is patience. You literally need to have patience when you guys trade, especially any time frame above 15 minutes. You have to have patience. And yet I see, oh, this guy has secret sauce. That guy has secret sauce. Oh, this guy has a way of looking at things. I'm teaching you everything you need to know. There is no other input needed from anyone else on how to use the system. What I think is a lot of you guys are lazy and you don't like to follow rules. The rules are exact what to do with the system. So exact, let's bring it out. So exact that if you follow the fucking rules, you'll see an amazing sight. What do you think you'll see? Oh, I don't know. Correct call after fucking correct call after fucking correct call. Never, ever missing. That's the signal service. It is so effing good. It's psychotically good. Look, the very first time you see a daily and then a blue line, you take a trade. Other times you follow red. There is no mistakes. If you're on the right time frame, using the freedom indicator, the freedom signal indicator, okay, and you're on the right time frame when you have it installed, coming up soon, we'll go in that in a minute, it cannot and will not make a mistake. There is no, one of the guys, go show them the mistake ones. There is none. Every time there's an hourly buy and then following up with the 30-second or 1 minute buy, it's always accurate. It's just not going to be a big movement, but I can't help that with your time frame that you're on. If there is a weekly, hold on. If there is a daily, you'll love this one, so much easier to see. See, here's your day call, and here's your first buy. 100% accurate. Anyone that thinks this isn't accurate, come on, call in and show me where the daily happens and the first time there's a corresponding buy on the Hydra. This is your pre-signal called machine gun. It's telling you to look for these. The first time it happens, this will always work. Period. Always make money. Always be profitable. The whole reason why everyone's here is that we can consistently make profit trading. This consistently makes profit trading. If there's any haters out there or doubters, well, you've all been put up. First of all, no one's ever called in and tried to argue with me how I trade. I have over 1,700 videos of me trading daily for 2 years almost on YouTube now. No one. Why? Because they don't even know how to trade. Professional traders don't know what the fuck they're doing. They're getting lucky. They have no clue of how to really trade. This is it. So now that I actually have thanks to the man, the myth, and the legend, Keith Palmer, he's one of the good ones in this world. Now that he's coded this for us, you can see it live. Look, you can see it on NAS. You can see it on US 30. You can see it on gold. You can see it on SPX. Here's your sells. Daily. First time one of the lines come up, you take it market order. Demo only. And it makes money. There isn't a miss. So if anybody would like to call in and, this and that, bullshit. Here's the daily. Never engaged. There was never a secondary Hydra signal. Here's your daily 2. First time it happens way over here. Look how much patience you have. Look how many hours you have to wait. And there it is. Made money, shit tons of it. The D1s are always the best because the first time something, here it is. D1, first time one of the signals would have went out, pop. There is no arguing anymore. There is no debate. There is no doubting. I'm telling you for a fact, if you have tier 3, you'll be getting this. I'm telling you for a fact that the freedom signal indicator works. Don't believe me, believe your own eyes. What does your eye say? Oh, green, up arrow, D1. Oh, the first time there's a 5-minute or a 10-minute and it goes up. This is a shit ton it went up, by the way. Just like that. Let me look at comments. Yes, Bob, pink to the blue line. Hi, I noticed you like more US 30. No, US 30 just moves. I call out all of them. Doesn't matter to me. US 30, NAS, and SPX all move together. They're all one symbol. Good morning, Jan. Good morning, D Nice. Look at the power of this. See, some of you think, oh, well, he plays it back and is done in a minute. Yeah, but this literally takes hours and hours and hours and days to develop. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. Look. I swear, I'm going to start calling this a Netflix. I swear. We should have the theme music. Of course, they would sue me. Again, day 1. There's your buy. Look, here's a day 3. No sell. Never engaged. Let's go to the D1. Look, D1. Red, sell. Look, went down. Boop, first line, down she went. Day 2, first line, down she went. All the rest of the signals can be entered, but you would use the 2-step rules to see if you'd engage it or not. So to the clown who once said, show the other ones that don't work. There is no other ones that don't work. I can't show something that's not there. Every time the freedom signal indicator says there's going to be a sell on the machine gun, and every time there is a 5, 10, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour Hydra signal, the follow-up right here, it will work. Period. End of story. Every symbol, Bitcoin included, Ethereum included, over 1,000 symbols, it will work. Hope I'm clear on that. I'm not teaching you guys what ifs, could be's, maybe, should be's. The days of you all having to understand what a buy stop is and where to enter and the rules, if you get the signal service, especially tier 3, are past. The signal service tells you what to do. You can do market order entries, demo only. And there it is. I don't know how much clearer I can make a trading system. I don't know how much more accurate I can make it. Well, I do. I'm coming up with the Holy Grail trade. That'll be soon. But these tier 3s are just fantastic. So what is the Freedom Indicator? The Freedom Indicator release date is 7/14. It is a free upgrade to the current signal service that we have. Bree and I are giving this to free. We're not charging anymore. We're giving it to you for free. Of course, it was coded by the great Keith Palmer. It combines the machine gun pre-signals and the Hydra 2.0 signals. The pre-signal is this thing right up here at the top. Is right. Let me see if I can pull this away. Right here. There you go. This thing right here, this major top one, controls all these other smaller time frames. And it kind of confuses me when I see, oh, the 4 hour and the 1 hour, that's old, outdated. The new rules clearly state D1 controls hour 1, 30 minute, 15, 10, and 5. So if this is a D1 sell on gold, all we can look for is sells at this level. If you don't like trading the hourly 30 minute, then you can go to the different levels. But right now, this is what you're looking for on gold. So it combines the machine gun pre-signal, letting you know these other signals may be coming. As soon as you see one of these other signals, it's the Hydra 2.0 signals. When those are called right here, you can take the first time it happens. 90% of the time, be a 5, 10, or 15 minute, or all three at once. You take a market order. It's going to have minimum an 80% win rate, or I'll pull whatever symbol it isn't working on. I expect to be 90, 95% or 100% win rate, but whatever. If I can't beat professional trader 64% win rate, I'm yanking that symbol. Right now we have 15 symbols that we send out signals onto the Discord room. Must be in tier 3 signals to get it on your charts. It's already sending signals to the Discord rooms for tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. You need premium trading view. Sevens, if you all understand this and that we're releasing it starting today, some of you will start having it. Do not email asking us for it. Do not email us asking us for it. But we're releasing it starting today. By the 14th, every one of you have it. Always check your invite-only scripts. Good morning, John C. Okay. Cool. Let's keep rolling. Gold. See if we can get us some free money. Buy stop to the blue line, 15-second. Gold, buy stop to the 30 towards the 30-second blue line. Gold. 3-minute sell stop back to the blue line. Ricochet. Love this one. Love this one. Not saying the 15 seconds won't work out. I'm just telling you what I like. Love this one. Bounced down, came back up. Who called it, Mr. C? 3-minute sell stop to the blue line. Gold. If you don't like horse shitting around with all those smaller time frames, let's take it up a notch. Let's move this off, actually. Let's see. Gold. Forming. 1 hour. Not quite yet. 2 hour for sure. 2 hour buy stop gold. Forming. So 2 hour, 12 hour daily. Daily, weekly. Yep. So this is gold. Let's be clear. Hold gold. Do any buy stops. 3-minute up higher. So do a look for any 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute buy stops through daily until this purple line comes up and touches that blue line on the sniper. or this gap fills in, either or. The gap is between the yellow and the green right here. There's black space. It'll go up and close this. Matter of fact, I might open a gold trade. Matter of factly, I think I'm going to open a gold trade now. Maybe. Remember to be patient with everything you do. Da, 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 da. Da 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 da. Future stocks, energy, metals. There we go. Da 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 da. Can I get the signal room this week to get the freedom? Can I get the signal room this week to get the freedom? You can buy the William Jones. You can buy the signal service whenever you want. To get it on your charts, it's $350 a month plus the sniper. So it's basically $500 a month. Make that up in a trade if you're a decent trader, but whatever. If you want to get just the signal rooms in the Discord, tier 1's $150 a month. Look at this. Correct. NAS, correct. SPX. GBP USD will check. USD CAD will check. USD CAD. So let's check USD CAD real quick. I'll go back to the call outs. Well, actually, hell, we're going to call out USD CAD right now if we can find it. No, 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 no. Nope. I'm going to go over here. USD CAD. Rwanda. All right. Let's see what it was seeing. Weekly buy. Yep. Daily, weekly buy. Perfect. Actually, see, it called it. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. Pulling it down. Always move down. Rule number 7. Yep. USD CAD is correct. Let's do USD CAD full read. 15 second. 30 second. Already did it. 1 minute. Did it. 3 minute. Already did it. 5 minute. See how it went straight up to the blue line? All right. Let's see. 10 minute. Play any 15 second through 10 minute buy stop to the 10 minute blue line. USD CAD. To the 15 minute blue line. USD CAD. I'm moving my entry down to here. 1 hour. Okay, careful. You could take the buys on the short term. Feel free. Sell stop. 3 hour ricochet back to the blue line. Sell on USD CAD. That's got to occur first. 3 hour sell. Ricochet back to the 3 hour blue line. Then look for your daily, weekly buy. And you have to have patience. The daily buys, daily, weekly buys can take up to 6 months to fully develop. So if you're trying to get in and out of a trade, don't trade daily, weeklies. It could take a long time to do. Hope I'm clear. Look at how I did it the other two. Buy, poop, buy, stop, poop. Look at it. Look at it. First time's the best. This will be the third time this is happening. And I'm sure the signal service called this out because they've already seen it. Holy Grail. We'll get in that later. Yeah. Yeah, there's your daily buy. Ooh. Called it just like I did. I'm telling you. Oh, you guys will see in time. All right, so that's USD. I was just checking a symbol, a signal call out. That's all. EUR USD. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, EUR USD. 10-second blue line, EUR USD. Buy stop to the 15-second blue line, EUR USD. Turning into a 1-minute sell ricochet back to the blue line, EUR USD. Turning into a 30-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute, 1 hour. 2-hour buy stop, EUR USD. 3-hour buy stop, EUR USD. Daily, weekly. Daily, weekly buy stop to the daily blue line, EUR USD. Monthly sell stop, EUR USD. Boom, pop there. I don't see any other questions. All right, so we just called out GBP USD, EUR USD, US 30, NAS, SPX, and gold. Calling out GBPY next. GBP JPY. It always goes up. I don't even know what to tell you. Play any buy stop from 5-second on up. It just keeps going up and up. I don't know what else to say. It never stops. If you want me to go back, I can show you where it's just for 4 years it's gone up. Let me just put it that way. 4 years. Yeah, look at it. This is my 12-hour buy stop I called out. You can clearly see on this one right here. I don't tell you. It's just a buy. Anytime you can get a buy on it, just take it. 727 pips from the time I called this GBP JPY buy stop right here. 700 pips on a fucking currency pair. Yeah, Forex pair is insane. Absolutely insane. Insanely good. Let's put it that way. All right. Amazon's always a buy. I've been recommending that since like $93, $92, whatever it was a share. XRP is always a buy. I don't care how fucking far it goes down. Let it keep dropping. I'll buy more of it, do dollar cost averaging. That's what I would do with Amazon. And by the way, you shouldn't only be J trading. That's silly. I'm not a financial advisor, but don't be silly. What you need to be doing, get a simple little VOO, put your money in it. What they do is they take just the best performing stocks, and I don't like Vanguard. I'm just telling you what works. And all they do is put it in, and they rotate out the best performing symbols. And all I'm telling you is from here, which is 03. So over 20 years ago, the United States stock market has gone straight up. You don't have to be a financial advisor. You don't have to be anything. A moron, a monkey with a fucking dart can pick it. It all went up. It all went up. It all went up. US 30 never came down. NAS never came down. SPX never came down. That's all I can tell you. Always up for 20 years. So if you think the stock market, now it has to reset, in my opinion, they're going to crash it, bring it down, bring in a digital dollar. But over a 20-year period of time, if you think the United States is going to be in existence, if you think it's actually going to be here, then yeah, I have a feeling things will be up 20 years from now. I might not be here. Our children will be. And I'm telling you, you should do this day trading / trading stuff on secondary to investing into some. It doesn't have to be VOO. They make shit tons of them. Any other little mutual fund, preferably low load, no load, and then just put it in there. You can't fucking lose. Oh, this one dipped down. All you do is buy more when it forms your buy stop on a monthly. Buy more. See how it's already up too high though? This is very high. This shit has to come back down. That's all I'm telling you. Sevens, if you understand, you guys should be investing in something, even though I'm not a financial advisor, demo money only, but something like a VOO, VOO. That's all. This day trading stuff or the trading stuff is excellent. Once you get great with it, you can make a shit ton of money. Or once you get the tier 3 signals, you can make a shit ton of money with it. I get that. But the reality is, Warren Buffett is great at trading, right? Investing, but it's the easiest shit on earth. A monkey can be correct. A dinosaur that's dead can be correct. If a market only goes up for 20 years straight, how do you lose money? Right? Again, America could be crushed. We could lose everything. The dollar can be dethroned. It can go down. They can usher in the digital dollar. I'm not saying that can all happen. Great. All that's going to be is another buying opportunity unless you really think in 20 years the United States of America won't be here. If you think in 20 years the United States of America is going to be here, stocks will go up. That's all. Robin 7 already went over gold. Yes. Eric 7, yes. Marcus 7. Okay. All right. So we did US 30, NAS, SPX, gold, EUR USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, Amazon, XRP. Let's look at Ethereum for Larry. Nice, Larry. This is fantastic news. Look at what it did. Remember, Larry, I was telling you I wanted to come down here? Fucking fantastic news. So that's monthly. Let's see if we can get some short-term shit for you. 15 second, nothing. 30 second. Nope, too late, too late. Play any 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. Love this trade. Love this. This is my weekly buy, by the way. I moved it down. 2 of them. Boom, perfect. To the 5 minute blue line, towards the 10 minute blue line. I think we'll hit that. Towards the 15 minute blue line. Not sure on that. Forming a 1 hour sell stop. Forming a 1 hour, 2 hour sell stop. Hit our line. It's a ricochet. It's a ricochet. Okay, here we go. It's going to shoot up, ricochet, come back down to the 7 hour blue line. Let me draw it out for you. Price action's up here. It's going to come down here. It's going to do this and come down. It's going to do that hook up first, henceforth, those earlier buy stops. To the 7 hour blue line. Can't be any clearer. Simple, easy trades. Let's go to the daily for them. Daily, weekly. Ooh, they don't really give us a lot of history because the way it is. Daily, weekly buy stop. Love it. Love it. Love it. First time I did it was right here. First time's always the best. Second time's happening as you speak. Yes, I love it. And you were calling for it. Caught all that. So nice, Larry. Congratulations. If I'm not mistaken, I thought it was a 2 hour sell. Yeah. Wasn't this a 2 hour sell to the blue line, Larry, and everybody? I believe this was a 2 hour sell positive. It was here and here. 2 hour sell to the blue line. Look at that shit. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now set up for that buy. Yep. Larry says, yep. Oh, good. I thought so. What's up, Bob? Yes, this is Ethereum. Ethereum USD. Da, 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 da. Just lifted, just in my cardio, 4-day fast, straight up, just, well, first 2 days is dry fast, last 2 days have been water. I think I'm on my 4th day. All I know is Thursday will be 7 days. I started at July 4th at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Whew, okay. Yes, okay, cool. Thank you. You're welcome, Bob. All right. That's Ethereum. Easy peasy. Bitcoin's the exact same thing as Ethereum. Look, you guys think things are different. They are not different. Look right here. Let me be clear. Look right here at Bitcoin and look right here at Ethereum. Let me focus this in a little bit more for you so you guys don't get confused. Watch. Look right here. You want to laugh? You want to laugh your fucking asses off? Look at what they do. You see this? Look. What does this look like to you? First of all, they can't even do anything different, right? Okay. So that's what that looks like for Ethereum. And here's Bitcoin. Just spread out more. Look, the exact same thing. Bitcoin and Ethereum are joined at the hip. One leads the other. It's usually Bitcoin leads Ethereum, but not always. So if you see one make a move, the other one will then make the move. That's all I can tell you. Matter of fact, we were going to have a Bitcoin Ethereum signal, but we got carried away with a whole bunch of other shit. Giving it to you for free. Okay. So that's Ethereum, not officially calling Bitcoin, but it's the same as Ethereum. I already told you about XRP, and that's it. Now, what symbols would you guys like to check? Please let me know. Sell stop 5 seconds to the blue line, ricochet. It already hit it once. Gold. Buy stop gold. I've already done this. I'm not doing this shit again. Buy stop gold to the 15-second blue line. Buy stop gold to the 30-second blue line. Buy stop gold to the 1 minute blue line, forming a 5-minute sell stop. It's a 3-minute sell stop, forming a 3-minute, 5-minute sell stop. Ricochet back down. Will it arch up enough to touch the 1 minute? Don't know. Don't know. Jan, I'm not saying that, Jan, but you're correct. Who was the guy that used to call it that? And he would say I'm not going to get into that. I don't want any trouble from TikTok or YouTube. All right. Need the guys wake the F up. I understand that each and every one of you want consistent profits. I understand that. A way to trade to get, and there it is. Way to trade to have consistent profits you're looking at. This is it. All the way down to whatever time frame you like. Looks like our 5-second sell stop on gold is going to pop off a little money. Don't forget, you have to unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading because it's wrong. Not one bit of it is correct. Not Fibonacci, none of it. If anyone's new here, please speak up. You need to master the system by teaching it. We are stand ambassadors, senior stand ambassadors. We have 3 stores with them. We make a shit ton of fucking money with them. We do have an affiliate program if you'd like to get the word out, help spread the word. Feel free. I would only do the buys on gold. Technically, I'm in a buy on gold, 2 of them now. LF George, I'm awake. Nice. All right. Anybody have any questions over anything? Ask them now as far as training goes. I have a beginner's class at 1 o'clock today. I'm doing advanced training at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're doing training 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I think we're fully into these buys now, unless there's some kind of news around 8:30. You should be in them or not. I mean, I can't do everything for you. That's it. You're to play Eddie. Let me see if it's calling this out on US 30. Let me see. Lower time frame. Boop. Let's go down to here. You have to go down to the smallest thing to see it, and let's see what we see. Nope. Let me see here. Nope. Let me see here. It's coming up though. You're about to see a lot of them pop. Let's take this one down and go to our. No, not daily, weekly. What is it? Yeah, let's see this daily hourly. And let's go to the 5 minute. Remember, you have to be on the right one. There it is. That's your 5 minute. Let me see here. There's your 5 minute. Let's see, it's 30. No. So the one it caught were the NASs and SPX. See? Boom. Now, where was this daily at? Let's take a look. Minute 10. Damn, what was it? Fucking daily. Let's go back here. There it is. D2. First time this is called. Look how patient you have to be. Some of you don't understand. These are 5 minutes, but these 5 minutes add up forever. Let's take a look. From 5 minute here to here, I don't even think barely get on the screen. It would have taken you for the first correct call, or for any call to be made, 1,294 bars. 1,000. Where the hell's my calculator at? 1,294 times 5 minutes divided by 60. It would have taken you 107 hours divided by 24. It would have taken you 4.5 days. 4 days, 4.5 days from it to go from here when it was called the first time it switched to the actual buy stop. Look at it. This is your first time in right here. And look at all the fucking pips you would have made. First time you could do market order, you'd be up 291 pips. Crazy shit. Crazy shit. That is the power of tier 3. Tier 1 and tier 2 is also called. But tier 3, you actually get this on your screen. It's incredible. Incredible what you're seeing. Nothing like it in the history of trading. I'm not kidding you. Nothing like it in the history of trading. Anybody on TikTok, anybody on YouTube have any questions whatsoever? What's up, Guerrillo? Good morning. Anybody have any questions? Concerns, comments? If you're a hater, if you're a lover, if you're a fan of the page, of the system, I don't care. I can even take call-ins only from people with an American number. I'm not dealing with that WhatsApp shit. It was amazing. We were in St. John, St. Thomas, I guess because they're U.S. Virgin Islands, but we just used Verizon. We didn't do anything else. Bank of America bank cards worked perfectly over there. They had tap. Let me give you a hint. St. Thomas is more advanced than most businesses in Georgia, in the United States. St. Thomas Virgin Island is more advanced. Every business there, every restaurant there, or nearly, I don't know, I think everyone went into, had Apple Tap. Georgia gas stations doesn't have it. Georgia restaurants don't have it. Georgia, it was embarrassing. They were more advanced. And as nice as St. Thomas is, St. John is, they're still like, I hate to say this, but they're pretty much third world. You know, they're not exactly the roads and the quality standard of life for most of the people there is third world, but they still had more advanced payment systems. And they had the fucking best restaurant. Pesce, the Italian restaurant there. I haven't eaten fettuccine noodles. We've been to all the different Italian restaurants here in America. There's private ones here in Georgia. There's some in Columbus and Florida. None of the Italian restaurants, including your big chains like Olive Garden, Pesce, I think it was, off to Asprey. But they had an Italian restaurant there where she got the fettuccine Alfredo, and I tried some of her noodles. They just melted in your mouth. They make them by scratch, by hand there. It was fucking fantastic. All I can tell you is that the next time we went, I ordered some fettuccine noodles myself, and I actually ate a full order. I've never done that in 10 years. And I did it because their Italian food was so melt in your mouth good. It was amazing. Just freaking amazing. Isn't that island that was gifted by BlackRock to the U.S.? It was gifted all. Yeah, St. John and St. Thomas was gifted by the Rockefellers. St. John's used to be called the Rock. The Rockefellers bought it and gave it to the United States of America. They had it as the St. John's was their own private island. And then they had 7 different beaches with 7 different resorts for each beach for their own use for each day of the week. And then they gave it, the Rockefellers gave it to America, the United States government. Can you imagine the power they have? And that was back when in the 30s or 50s. I forgot when they actually gave it to them. It was a fucking long time ago. Hell, it might have been prior to that. Google that one. Okay. Yeah, you're right. One of the big guys did it. Here we go. I'm a lover. I just figured out how to hook Tradevite Apex accounts to my trading view to set limit orders and buy and sell. Yep, that's exactly what you need, Elf George. You should see Japan, China. That's amazing how far they are technologically. My daughter was in Japan for 6 months. She agrees with you, Jan. There you go. Yep. I knew one of the big. Yep, Gorilla. Sure, they get power. Of course they do. You want to know who the richest family, the Badurs and this and that? You just worry about the Rockefellers. And I know they have different names in different countries, but the Rockefellers, holy shit. They've controlled banking. Okay. I don't know if any of you ever heard of the axis of evil back when George Bush was in power, the axis of evil. I think that's what they called themselves, what they called them. Good morning, Matt Parker. If any of you ever heard of the axis of evil, big fan. Thanks, Bob. Back then, it was all the countries that were considered the axis of evil were all only countries that were considered the axis of evil, even current today, the ones that don't have the central bank that's controlled by the Rockefellers. You want to know the power they have? They control it. Now, I'm not getting conspiracies. I don't want to hear anything from anybody. We're not getting political. I'm just telling you that the coincidence of that all the axis of evil countries back then, including now, the ones that are quote unquote, are the ones that do not have this Rockefeller central banking system, the International Monetary Fund, IMF. So yeah, they're the only ones. Those countries are the evil ones. Really? Give me a fucking break. We're not retarded. Well, I guess some of us are, but that's silly. Yep. They started in Germany. They absolutely did. You should Google it. You'd die. We are being so manipulated. It's a joke. So for me to be able to give back to you guys and the people out there so that you can get some money back from these scammers, give me a break. To develop this system for you guys to help each and every one of you make consistent profits again. Don't forget, I'm one of you. I lost for fucking 5.5 years, $26,500 plus. I paid for gurus to teach me to draw lines every fucking where. I paid for system. I paid for signals, like $1,500, $1,200 a month for fucking signals that were never fucking right. One time, my brother bought a gold bot for $5,000 up front that never worked. $5,000. Why he got the money up front? Because it never fucking worked. Scumbag. I should call him out. If I'm going to ask my brother for his name, I'm going to call him out on here because I don't want anyone else to be scammed by him. What a pile of manure. Fucking 5,000. Fuck everything I give you guys. $550, $575 for the year for the system. $150 a month for the sniper. $350 a month for the signal service. That's $500. It would take you 10 months. It'd take you a year, and you still wouldn't have paid what Mike paid for $5,000 for a gold bot that never fucking worked. What a bunch of people out there, man. No, I'm giving back to this community. Bree and Bree are doing the very best we can. Keith is helping us immensely getting this code out there because I see all these trades. What Keith has done is just take what I see as the trades. We colorified it. We made it green, 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 red, green, green. right? Broken Bach, best one, so that you guys can see it. That didn't work for all of you. So I made the sniper to help you all out to see the trades better. That didn't work. Well, now I have a signal service telling you what I see. And here it is. Oh, I want a cop. There's your copy trader. Lazy people in this world. Wow, don't get me started. It's the only system and signals that have worked for me. I have paid a lot for the systems, signals, and bots, safety. Yeah, correct. I agree with you, Matt. Thanks for allowing us with little money to be able to come into market. Absolutely, Gorilla. That is, I should save that. Thank you for allowing us to come. I'm going to tag that one. Not that everyone else's thing wasn't correct. Pinned. Nice. Yeah, gold bot that sucked. All you have to do is your research is out there to see. Yep. Appreciate that you are not greedy to charge more. Absolutely. You're welcome. Yep. I agree. It's the only system that works. Yep. I'm trying to make it so the little guy can make money. Can I charge more for these signals? Back when I first started, there was a look at all these by this perfection. This is your stair steps you'll see. Look at this shit. Look how beautiful it is. Comes over, buy stop, comes over, buy stop, comes over, buy stop, comes over, buy stop. Look at that shit. But at any rate, what I was offered to trade only for people in the at UAE. There was a group of like 10 or 15 oh, get out. So TikTok gave me for hated speech because I was calling out BlackRock and Vanguard. Wow. Whatever. Can't even tell the truth anymore. I'll tell the truth when we're on YouTube only. That's fine. But anywho, you're building an army of traders. Yes, I am, DPFX. And what I'm saying is the way they set things up is not acceptable. And I am going to change that where all of you can make money with very little. If you guys think $500 a month is a lot, which it is, don't get me wrong, I'm not out of a touch. $500 a month is almost a car payment. Most time it's a car payment. It could go a long ways to paying rent. It could pay grocery foods. But that $500 a month isn't $5,000 up front. Oh, and then he got a monthly fee. I forgot what the monthly fee was, but it was something like $200-300 a month. I forgot whatever it was. I have no idea. But I remember Mike distinctly paying $5,000 up front. He'll come on and tell you for a gold bot that never made one trade, and the guy wouldn't give his money back to Mike. I was like, Mike, what the fuck? This is years ago. What the fuck are you doing? I'm nervous about trading smaller time frames. 15-second, is that going to be essential for the freedom trades? No, absolutely not, Ken. You could trade. Let me be clear. Let's go over the freedom signal. Let's go over this again. I'm going to teach you all exactly what it is. You can use it for any time frame. Watch. The freedom signal indicator. Release date is 7/14. However, starting today, we're going to start adding 50 people a day until 7/14. So from 7/8 to 7/14, we're going to be adding people every day. Check your invite-only scripts right here every day. If you're tier 3, check this. Eventually, you're going to see that you have it, and then you can install it, and there's rules on it already in the rules to how to install it. All right? So what else? It's a free upgrade again from Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. Combines the machine gun pre-signals with the Hydra 2.0 signals. It'll have a huge win rate. It's tier 3 people only. The Discord tier 1, tier 2, 3 are already getting it. You need a premium trading view to do it. Now, to answer specifically Ken's question, no, you do not need to trade. You can trade this with a daily, hourly, 30-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute trades only. That's what this freedom indicator is set for. If you wanted to trade 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, you can trade it. Only that. Feel free. Okay? If you want to trade only weekly, daily trades, that's what. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at how accurate this is. The very first signal you can do live. Okay, I'm digressing. Weekly, daily then is right here. So let's be clear on this. If you wanted to trade only weekly dailies, you would use this freedom indicator. Sevens, if you understand that you can trade weekly, daily only trades, which are hardly fast. Those are so slow, they drive people nuts. Sevens, if you can understand that you can trade daily, hourly, 30-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute trades, if you want to trade those. Sevens, if you understand, if you don't like those two time frames, then fuck it. You can go to the lower time frames and trade hourly, 3-minute, 1-minute, 30. These are all different, Ken. Am I clear on this? Please write the word clear out for anyone that understands. You can trade any one of these different time frames at any given time. There's no reason to have to trade any time frame you're not comfortable with. It works on all the different time frames. All the different time frames. Clear? Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Mr. C. Thank you, Stefan. Go, Coach. What's up, little Joe? Good morning. Good morning, Marcos. Would you be able and willing to call SCH? I have no idea. If I can track that, I sure will. SCHW. Sure. If that's a tradable symbol, SCHW. Charles Schwab, New York Stock Exchange. Okay, let's take a look at it. Sure. I'm assuming, well, here, let's turn these off so people don't get too crazy. I'm glad you guys understood that. Clear, clear, clear. Zero. What's up, Zero? Good morning, Kev. And clear, 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 clear. Okay, so everyone's clear on that. Ken, are you clear on that now too? What's up, Alvin? Good morning, Alvin. All right, so this is Charles Schwab. Let's take a look at them. Don't care, don't care, don't care. They already were a buy, already been a buy to the 15 minute, to the 30, already passed it to the 1 hour. This is a buy. Buy 1 hour. Buy 2 hour. Buy 4 hour sell. Don't like that though. I like this much better. 7 hour, 12 hour buy. 12 hour buy. 12 hour daily. Daily. Let me see. Nope, daily, weekly buy. Okay, so here you go. If you want to do this, look for some short-term buys. 4 hour sell, I think that has to engage too. But then it's going to turn into a weekly. I would play it. Let me be clear. First time it already happened was here. Let's make sure. Let's see if my calls are correct. I coded this fucking thing. Yep, there you go. See how accurate the fucking symbols are? So as I call this for you, I said the first time was here. Look. Week 1 was here. Look how fucking accurate these signal services. This is crazy. You guys are on a gold mine. You guys, look at our logo. Look at our fucking logo. Look at this shit. What more do you guys want? Logo. We only trade the green. Boom. Came down. Boom. Came down. Boom. There it is. This is your logo. This is the Bach breaking out. The green and the red. Watch. Came up, over. Pink line came down once. It's going to come down twice. There it is. All you worry about, blue line high, number 1, pink line low, number 2. It did it again here. Henceforth, why this is called, look at how easy this is. Buy the system, pay the $150 a month for the sniper, pay $350 a month to get the signal service. I don't give a fuck if you do or don't. I'm just telling you, look at this shit. There it is. There's your week 2 call. So this is my call to you on Charles Schwab. Play any 5-second through daily buy stop until this weekly pink line right here does this sound familiar to anyone? Goes up and touches the blue line. Buy. This is the second time. First time's the best. You should have got in back here. You already missed it. Okay, let me be clear. You missed the first time. First time's the best. But you can still do the second. Play any buy stop. Now, if you want to see how fucking cool this is on the smaller time frames, let's see how fucking clear. Schwab, everybody understand that. Sevens, if you understand, buy stop until that pink line hits the blue line on the weekly Charles Schwab. Yes, I did respond earlier, said Ken Loud. Okay, cool, Ken. Congratulations. Thank you for responding. You're welcome, Nikolai. Okay, so this is the second time it's happening. Let's go back to the first time it was called out, and let's go see how fucking accurate the other signals are. Let's take a look, shall we? Let's take a look, shall we? And let's go down to the right channel, which would be here or lower technically. Let's go all the way down to, well, let's go down to here and we'll stay there for a moment. And let's go back to our line and let's see if there was any call outs from our line. Look at this shit. Look at this, okay? And this is a more accurate read for your daily, so we're going to move it over to here. This is the daily call out line. Here's your buys, the machine gun. Your pre-signal would have been green, your machine gun pre-signal. All your hydras, these are your hydras. Machine gun pre-signal here, these are your hydras. Correct. Day 2, second time it happened daily. Correct. Boom. Day 3, correct. Look at that shit. From the time the weekly was called the last time, daily 1, buy stop. Now, can we get this to playback? I don't know. Let's see if we can, because look at the fun we're going to have. Let's see if we can get this to playback. Shall we? Let's see. Let's see if we can get this to playback. Shall we? Can it make a call out for us? There it is. You can do a normal market order when the first time happens. I don't recommend that. I recommend waiting for a matching one, but we'll just do one for argument's sake, because why the fuck not? What is this? Schwab? I don't even know. We're going to do 1,000 of them. Buy. There you go. This is an arrow that popped up. There's our line that popped up. Now, I don't have a clue if it's going to show the other one. So we're going to go 10 times. Let's see it. Money here. Waiting for one of these to pop. It's going to be forever. You're already in a shit ton of money, though, so you made money. Buy stop against forming. This is a daily. We're waiting for one of these to pop up, and you should see hundreds of them. Well, 20 to 30 of them multiple times. Look at it. Look at your money. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at your money. Look at it. Jesus. There you go. We're going to do some more buys. There are all these pop. You see them? Look at this trading. Can you make trade? Look at it again. Pop. Again, pop. Look at your money. Pop. Again. Look at this. Look at your money. It's insane. Easiest system. Look, again, you can get in again. Follow the rules after the first time. Look at it again. Look at it flash money. Look at it flash. It works on buys. It works on sells. Doesn't fucking matter. Look at it. Fucking incredible. The most incredible trading system in the history of the world, and you guys are witness to it. You're not going to see a wrong trade. There is never a wrong call out. Never a wrong call out. Day 2 is about to happen now. Never a wrong call out. Look at it. Got to wait for the, there you go, pop. Let me tell you, I bet you that's an earnings day too that just did that. Look at that money. Look at that fucking money. Look at, it's missed so many call outs, by the way, because we're at a 15-minute. There's some more right there. There's some more. You see them flashing? You see them flashing? Woo! That is, if you can't see this as the most beautiful sight in the, and I was at St. Thomas, the most beautiful water in the world. The only thing prettier was my wife, Bree, and her bikini. Holy fucking shit. It was amazing. This is a second only to Bree and her amazing beauty. What you're seeing right here is second to that. Look at it. Look at it flash. Look at the money. Look at it flash. Over and over and over again. Look at it. Money. Wow. Absolutely. Is there any news today, by the way? I don't want any fucking news. Is there any news today? Look at that money go. This is the importance of leaving a runner in and being patient. See it flash? Look at it. Look at your money. See it flash? Look at your money. See it flash? Look at your money. Look at all these buys. I didn't enter in any of these extra buys. I didn't enter in one more time other than the first time. There's your money. Look at it. Is this not the most beautiful sight? Thank you, Raider Trader. You're the best. No news. What's up, East Wick? What's ticker? 1,000 symbols. You're looking at right now, Schwab, Charles Schwab. Look at your money. Look at it flash. I'm not taking any more buys. You can do after the first buy, it's called a market order. You can do a market execution order. All these other orders are just 2 rules. It's called rule-based orders. You can enter in all these other buys. You know how fucking much money we would have if we did all these other buys? Craziest shit ever. Craziest fucking shit ever. Crazy money. Reading Rainbow. Yes, sir. Thank you, Raider Trader. FOMC tomorrow. FOMC at 9:15? That doesn't sound right. They usually do FOMC at 2 o'clock, Raider Trader, 2:15. FOMC's at 9 a.m. tomorrow? FOMC's at 9:15? I thought FOMCs were always 2:15 in the afternoon. Huh. That's weird. Thank you, though. I'll keep an eye out for it. That FOMC, your interest rates, and your NFP and your CPI are the only news that really can cause the nice big movement in. Oh, shit. We're already in sales. Sorry. Hold on. I got to stop this now. Anywho, there you go. Money out the ass money. So that's Charles Schwab for you. Let's go back to gold. Yeah, I'll look at any symbol. That's fine. I don't give 2 fucks. Whatever you guys want me to look at, we'll look at. There's your buy stop to the blue line on 15-second gold. Can you recommend a broker by trading cryptocurrency land that doesn't list them? The only broker I trade with for cryptocurrency, what I trade is Uphold. I use Uphold for XRP, and they've been great. I've had 0 issues with Uphold, 0. But no, I don't. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't recommend anything for you. But what I personally use is that. Like a little XRP. You go, little XRP. About time I buy some more of that too. How much do we need to start day trading? Says Eastwick. What's up, East? We have Thera, one of our guys on right now. I don't know if he's still on. He was on early. Thera, Kevin's his name. He goes by Thera. Kevin, if you're still on, Thera, if you're still on, can you say hi? But he started with, I don't know if it was him. It was Billy. Billy started with $50 in his trading account. He was also homeless. Thera was homeless and Billy was homeless. Kevin was homeless and Billy was homeless. They both traded their way out of being homeless using the system. And I know Billy started with $50 in his account. He has thousands. He has his own apartment in England. He has his own car. He has his own computers, his own internet. Billy used to trade after hours in a library using the library's internet and computers because he couldn't afford his own. His friend let him in after hours. And that's how he started trading using my system. He took his last little money he had after his divorce, bought the system, living out of his car, traded after hours through a library. And that's how he made money. And that's how he made a system. Started with 50. I wouldn't recommend 50. You'll start with nothing. You'll start doing only demo trading at first. Then you can use any amount of money you want. I'm not a financial advisor. But I would probably stick with like SPX, a couple $100 in the account. Now in US brokerage houses, you can't do that. You have to have 20,000. What is it? The day trading pattern, 20 or 25,000, whatever it is. Da 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 da. Any other questions, East Wickus? I am just can someone for Ore Raider Trader, can you double check FOMCs at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow? Can someone do that, Bob? I just don't believe that's accurate. I believe you, Ore. I'm just saying it's always 2 o'clock or 2:15 for FOMC. Am I mistaken? Save and buy the system. Amen, Bob. Thank you for speaking up, sir. I swear, Bob has turned into one of the best members we have. Such a nice fellow. always talking nicely in the Discord, always helping people out, always speaking up on my lives. I pray he just gets blessed and blessed and blessed and makes all kinds of money. Good morning. That's a Fed speech tomorrow at 9:15. Oh, okay. A Fed speech. So they're not announcing the interest rates, then the FOMC actual thing, right? And by the sniper. Thank you. Absolutely, Brian Cause. You're welcome, Ken. No FOMC. Thank you, 310 Life. Thank you, Rocket. Okay, cool. Now, a Fed speech can still fuck things up too, because they'll be like, oh, we're going to do this. Oh, we're going to do that. Whatever. The system will call it out before it happens. Doesn't matter. I do believe for market open here, you're going to see a pullback now after this rises a little bit, and then we'll see a little pullback before 9:30. Well, I don't know if we'll see it. When I'm praying for it to happen is that, and then we can get back in to the buys. If not, you should have already been in these buys. Look. Gee, guys, I don't know. The what do you think the signal service is calling here, NAS, SPY? Look, it's calling out these trades just like I do. That's what I don't know what to tell you. See, look, if you wanted to catch these first ones, right? Look, this is your logo over and over again. This is buy, price starts underneath, retrace, 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 retrace. This is our logo over and over and over again. Easiest thing on earth to see. And there it is. And there it is. Buy, 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 buy. And it's calling it just like I would. This is your daily. These are 15 minutes. Look, that's NAS. Same buys will be here in SPX. There they are. Same logo on SPX. There it is. Same thing. There's nothing different. Same exact ones. Same exact one as NAS. Same exact one as SPX. Same exact. Nothing different. And that's all you have to do. And again, all you need, let me be clear on this. Some of you say, oh, I'm not trying to upsell shit. I don't give two fucks if you even buy the system. Go stay losing for all the fuck I care. But if you want to win consistently and be profitable trading, in my humble opinion, all you need is green, 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 red, green, green, and do your buy stops. If you can't see that, I listen to you all. Trust me when I tell you, all you need is this right here. That's it. This is all you need, $575 for the year. Are you kidding me? It's like 40 something, $45 a month or something. Are you kidding me? There's nothing cheaper, nothing. First of all, let's start with actually nothing more accurate trading in the history of trading. And for you to be able to get it for $575 for a year is a blatant joke. That is the cheapest fucking system you'll ever buy in the history of your world that actually works, because there's no other system that works. I'm charging $575 and it works perfectly. But for those of you who had trouble entering the trade, I said, okay, let me separate out the box so they can see the sniper, so they can see it easier. So I did this for you: blue line low, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. And then some of you still had trouble. I said, okay, well, let's see if I can get Keith, the greatest coder in the history of the world, greatest man too, he's a good man, he's one of the good ones. Keith, go ahead and code how I trade. It took fucking forever. It took us from October of last year to July 14th of this year to get him to code it exactly like I trade. But here we sit victorious. And here it is given to you guys for free. If you're in tier 3, you'll have these indicators on your charts. Look, and now we have a signal service. You can do market order signals. The first one, when this changes to right here, this will be your first order actually, this one. When this daily turns to green, and the first time a 5 minute, 10 minute, like this one right here, you can do your market order, execution order in. Any of these other trades after that, you follow the rules, and you can enter in again and again and again if you'd like. So I took a green, green, red, green, green. I thought that was the simplest I could do. I added the sniper, which is just 2 lines. You can just trade with that by itself. I thought that would do it. It didn't work. Then I went ahead and Bree's the one, my wife's the one who pointed this out, but I kept listening to you guys, trying to help you over and over and over again. It's the truth. I kept trying to the point now I have a signal service. Now, if you can't make money with the system where you match up an arrow and an arrow, I don't have any hope for you. You don't deserve to be trading. You don't deserve the program. You shouldn't be trading. Now, you might take 6 months a year to learn it. I don't know. But if you can't match up a up arrow twice, so you have this one as an up arrow and then another up arrow down here, I don't know what to tell you. If you can't do that, I don't know. Denny Anderson, Jerome Powell makes speech. Google a good day for the best events counter. Oh, thanks, John C. I'm not looking at news. I can give 2 fucks less. FOMC is 2. I thought so. Thank you, Filio. Yes, but Sniper second, Brian. Buy the Sniper. Absolutely. Sniper's worth its weight in gold. Thank you, John C. I just don't look at news. All right. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any more questions? Ask away. But this is so simple. I've made trading only because of God. God gets all the glory. God, through me, I'm just a vessel, through me, made trading for the average Joe to make consistent profits with this system. And I made it so easy that anybody can do it. Anybody. Tier 1 people. So for basically $300 a month, you'll get 20 signals a month. Your tier 2 total will cost you $150 a month for the sniper because you have to verify the trade after the first trade. And then $250, so it'd be $400 a month. Tier 3 is $500 a month, unlimited. Tier 3 is unlimited signals. You get to place these actual indicators on your own charts. Fucking insane. You can trade any symbol you want. Right now, the signal rooms were only getting 5 different symbols sent to it. Now we have 15. And that's it. And don't even get me started on the Holy Grail, which is another free upgrade coming. And if you can follow the rules that are right here, and anyone that buys the signal service, I was really annoyed with somebody that got the signal service, started asking all these dumbass questions in the Discord. The rules are pinned in the rooms. So you go under here, you go under pinned messages, right? This channel doesn't have anything. Oh, that's because it's week 3, sorry. Damn, look at that. 122 new signals. All of them correct, by the way, I'm sure. Just crazy. Look at this shit. 50 plus new signals for the daily hourly. Over 120 new signals for the hourly 3 minutes. And then we already went over these. These were all accurate. USD kids. Crazy. Wow. All I can tell you is, wow, you're in the money on the gold buys that I told you to do just a few minutes ago, by the way. Well, maybe about an hour ago. You're in the money on the gold buys. Not much, but you're in a little. You can close down one trade and leave one open. These are the buys I did. Okay. So there is no news, thank God. You don't have to worry about shit this morning. Gold touched the 30. Let's go arrows. Amen. Thank you, John, for the news. Absolutely. What's up? Al Jazz Novak, what's up? Gold touched the 32nd. Let's take a look at gold. Let's turn this one on. And do that. And that. There it is. It's about to ricochet and do it again. 30 seconds. So play any 5 second, 10 second, 15 second buy stop to the 30-second blue line of gold. And then look for any 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30-second buy stop to the 1 minute blue line of gold. Thank you, Jan, for pointing that out. Again, after that, I think, wasn't this one the 4 hour? No. What was the gold? Oh, I could have swore there was. Maybe I'm wrong. No, I could have swore there was. Well, it doesn't matter. Only play the buys. I told you what to do on this. Play any 5 second through daily buy stop until the weekly blue line is touched by the pink line right here. So this goes up and does that. See how it did it once here? It's going to do it again now. You're in the money. There it is. Can you have a non-pay trading view to link the sniper system? No. You need the basic, but don't worry. TradingView does 90% off sales. You can literally get their premium for like $9 a month. Non-pay TradingView to link sniper in the system. No, you'll need for the sniper. You need to have. I forgot what that next budget one up is. The one up from. I love that you can sit here and relatively suddenly pre-market. I know, right, George? It's easy. No one should even be trading market open or news. But I swear, half of you are addicted to gambling. I swear you are. You guys, you treat trading like gambling. You get a rush off it, which is fine. I'm not arguing. You get a rush off of it. You get excited off of it. You get, you get a rush off the thing. I understand that. But that isn't trading. You should be trading a little more conservatively using the system, in my opinion. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. It went back up, ricocheted, and touched again, like I said it would. This is your ricochet right here. Still going to go up again, by the way, and do it again. Boom, boom. Here's your ricochet. Came up, touched it, came back down, ricochet back to the blue line. Buy stop again, 30-second buy stop, gold back to the blue line for the third time. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Anyone new here? Is there anyone new on TikTok or anyone new on YouTube? I know there is. There's a whole bunch of scammers that just sit back and watch. Try not to pay for anything. Take just the signals. What the fuck ever. I don't care. Yes. Hamid Mahmood. Sorry if I said your name wrong. What's up, Hamid? Good morning. I'm sure I'm slotting your name. Kevin, can you see a 15-minute logo on gold? I'm not sure if you consider wicks above the EMAs as legitimate, says Rocket. Let's take a look at 15-minute gold. Sure. Buy stop again, by the way. 15-minute logo. Well, you start all the way. Yeah, here it is right here. Yep, that absolutely is a 15-minute. And then I'm going to show Hamid how to trade. The logo is right here. Starts under, came up, retraced here once, retracing here right now. That's what you're seeing. Now, again, if there's any previous sell stops prior to that, let's take a look. 3-minute sell. Yeah, I still see, this is my still opinion. 3-minute, I knew there was a gold sell. 3-minute sell stop to the blue line on gold. It was just a matter of how high did this go? Does it go all the way up to the 1-minute blue line? It almost did. Yeah. Before it flips into this 3-minute sell. So it's going to go back towards the 3-minute blue line. It's going to touch it almost for surely. Sell on gold. Then you see a 15-minute buy. Then you see technically now, look, this is where you got to understand. See, this not only is that a 15-minute buy right here, boop, right here, boop. This is also, more importantly, the higher time frame is a 30-minute buy. Yep. And then it's a 30-minute 1-hour buy. So your correct entry would be off the 30-minute line or here. Say you can clearly see the logos. Don't try to struggle to see them. When you see it, there it is. What is our logo? Let's go back to the basics. For you head over to safetytrade.com to buy it. You head over to here. Was he on TikTok? Oh, he's on TikTok. Let me go over here so you can see the logo. Right here, green up arrow, red down arrow. It's all we trade. Kind of, it's this 3D. It's beautifully drawn. It's gorgeous. I get that, but mine's, well, yeah, it is what it is. Not the best. But that's it. And that's what the logo looks like here. And all we're doing is trading it. So how do we trade it? So if you're new to the channel, new to my system, new to seeing this, you can do it a whole bunch of different ways. But let me show you the simplest way. If you've never traded anything before in your life, and it's better if you've never traded anything before in your life, let me tell you, you can literally get my signal service. You buy a system $575 a month, you pay $500 a month, you can get tier 3. All you can do is put this directly on your charts. Oh, you don't have to buy all that shit. Look, if you did, it tells you when to get into trades. Okay, so let's show you. I think this will work live. This is gold. I think we can grab this shit. Let's see. Come right here. And I'm going to show you what it looks like, hopefully live. We're going to wait for an arrow to pop up. Boop, boop, doop, doop, there. See, when you see this, weekly one, DST one, when they're both come up at the same time, this is when you can do a buy. We're going to do our buy. You can do a market order entry when you see the arrows pop up. So if you're new here to the channel, Hamid, that's all you need to do. I'm showing you the simplest way. Then I'm going to go back to how you can do the cheapest way. This is just the simplest. When it tells you to do it, we go ahead, boom. There it is. Oops, let me slow this down. Sorry, it's going too quick. There's another one. Let's make this down to here. By the way, look at your money. And here's another one. Now, if you want to do another buy here when it does it, you can. By all means, you can. You do another buy here. Boop. As soon as they both do it again, do it. If it says it another time with just a weekly staying the same, though, you have to do a rule entry. But anyway, we do a market entry here. So now we're going to play it back again. Watch your money and watch it move. Watch your money. Now see this over here. It went away. So now if we see another daily come up, we'd have to do what's called a rules entry. You wouldn't just do a market order. But that's it. So this is how you can trade very easily, very simply. There it is again, day 3. You have to do a rules entry. I'm not going to enter that trade again, but you could have if you wanted. Look at your money. Watch this fill in the gap. Watch this pink line come back up. Well, I don't know what day this is. Oh, yeah, it's going to come back up. Watch, it's going to fill in the gap here. Pink line came up. Watch your money go up. Watch. There it is filling in the gap. It's going to close. It's going to come back down again. Watch, it's going to hook back down on the sniper. There's going to be a gap here. It's going to come. See, another buy came up. Watch your money. Watch your money. Look, it's going to do it again. Now you actually have the blue line. Now you're getting into daily buys. This is big. This is going to take some time. Watch. Then you're going to see the blue line come up this time. Watch your money. Look at all your little buys. There you go. And there you go. Don't worry about the money here. Worry about the win rate. The win rate was 100%, Hamid. I hope that makes sense. How much do I need to get started? Well, let me go through. So this is the simplest way, but I don't want you to do that. That's just the simplest way. So cheapest way to get started is this. This is all you need to know. The base system right here. You don't have to worry about the sniper at this point. You don't have to worry about anything else. Okay. So this is what you get. You get green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. And then this is your base system, $575 for the year. You go over to safetytrade.com. You can't see it on TikTok, but you can on YouTube. It's right here. Thesafetytrade.com, and you can buy it $575 for the year. I know it's a lot of money to you. I'm sure it is, but it's ridiculously cheap. You get this right here. If you want to spend $150 a month or more, which I would recommend, you get the sniper. That just helps you with entries. And if you want to do the signal service, it varies from anything from $150 to $350 a month. But again, you don't need the sniper. You don't need the signal service. Those are there to help you. All you need is the base system, green, 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 red, green, green. When you see this pattern, it doesn't matter whether it's gold, it doesn't matter whether it's SPX, it doesn't matter whether it's NAS, it doesn't matter whether it's US 30. When you see this pattern right here, let me show you what I'm talking about right here. Again, sniper helps out. I wouldn't trade without it, but you don't need it. Look, the pattern there. Here, that was US 30. This is the same pattern. Look, everyone's take a picture of this, print it out. NAS, you don't need someone else's 6 charts and some other way of looking at. There's nothing else to be taught by anyone else in the world other than what I teach you every day. It pisses me off and says, oh, well, this, I don't give a fuck. That's not accurate. This is what you do. Green, 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 red, SPX, NAS, US 30, daily, weekly. Doesn't matter what I'm going to say. This is all you need. That's $575 a year. If you want to have the sniper, $150 a month. If you want the signal service, it ranges anywhere from $150 to $350 a month. It's up to you. And then to trade with, you can start with as little as $50, $100 in account and trade only SPX. Is essential plan enough to link the sniper and the sniper? And the system means 5 indicators per tap. So the question was someone asked, wait, what's up, Aljaz? No, I think you need to get 40 pips collected on GBP odds using sniper H1. GBP odds, let's go over there and look at it. GBP AUD, GBP AUD, GBP AUD. Really? Could have swear we had that open. Really? No, fuck. Huh. GBP AUD, GBP AUD. There we go. I didn't have it open. Oh, yeah, on 1 hour. Yeah, there it goes. Now, it already touched. I would still hold one open. It's going to go up and touch that blue line. Yeah, absolutely. GBP AUD, play any 15-second through 30-minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line, and I do believe the 1 hour blue line. Let me see the higher time frame. Daily, weekly, monthly? Weekly, monthly buy. You can hold this for a while if you want. It's going to take a minute, but you can hold that for a while. Weekly, monthly buy on that too, by the way, to help you out, DPFX. Congratulations on that. Where were we? I have to scroll out a bit further. My charts are small. Is an essential plan? I don't know. Gold hitting its 3 minute. All right, let's go back to gold. Congratulations on that call. And thank you for sharing that, SPFX. What the fuck? DPFX. I was calling him SPX. Sorry. Gold 3 minute. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. See, that 3 minute gold had to occur. It's just the way they form. Don't ask. It's not quite there. On my chart, it's not quite there yet. You could be using a different symbol. It might be there. But yeah, that's very close. Good enough for me. There you go. Good job on that. Thank you. I'm long in gold now. Yeah, just hang loose. Gold is a long thing, Robin. So essential plan. I don't know. Trading view plans. Trading view plans. I would just wait for a essential. No. What they do is they discount all this shit. I know you need the premium for the whole signal service to work down to 30 seconds. 4 charts per tab, 10 indicators per chart. I don't know if 5's enough. You can try it and see. I have to ask Bree or Keith. I don't know if essential's enough to have the sniper. It is enough. The basic's enough for whatever, I don't know what they call it, but that's enough for the regular system. But with the sniper, I think you can do it that way, but I would ask Keith or Bree. Go in the Discord under the learning room and ask. I don't know the answer to that question. I should, but I don't. The plus would definitely work, and the premium you need if you want the Signal 3 service. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, trading views, whatever. We don't have anything to do with trading. We don't control the prices. We don't have anything to do with them. All right. So let's teach Hamid how to trade using just the base system. We can use gold. Matter of fact, let's do what we just showed everybody to do right here. Here it is. All right, Habib, and anyone else new? I'm going to teach you how to trade in about 5 seconds. Okay, maybe about a minute or two, but you're going to learn it. Okay. So what you're looking at here is a pattern. This is how I was able to call this earlier this morning and call it down to the cell here. Red, 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 green, red, red is a sell stop. So let me show you. No one can see the future except for the indicators who see it with near 100% accuracy. The only time you're going to have a problem is human error. Other than that, you'll never have a problem. So as everyone looks over here, you're going to see something. Da, 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 da. You're going to see this pattern right here, Hamid. You're going to see red, red, 3 reds, a green, and a red, red. When you see this, you put a sell stop on that yellow line right here. It went down and made money. And it went down and made money again. So you put it right here, you put it here, and you could put it here, and it went down, and there's your money. And it's going down towards it. Whether it touches the blue line is irrelevant. It went down towards it. I do believe you're about to see it hook back up and come back down again and do a ricochet and come back down. And that's what's going to do. So anytime this happens to be a 3-minute gold chart right here with this pattern, but it doesn't matter. We can go up to this chart. We can go over to, I don't know, XRP. And look right here. Wow, what do you know? Here's XRP. Same exact pattern. Look. Same exact pattern. Red, 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 green, red, red. Sell stop. And there it goes down. So this is daily XRP. That was 15 or 3-minute gold. Guess what else it works on? Let's go to here. And I'll show you. Let's go to here and let's have a laugh. Let's go to CAD Japan. CADJPY. There we go. Let's take a look. This right here is the exact same pattern. And look at it go down. This is red, 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 green, red, red. Sell stop. And it goes down. This happens to be, you can't see it maybe on TikTok. I'll move it over. This is 1 second. This is 1 second charts. I don't recommend trading on 1 second charts, but does it work? 100% yes. So this is a sell pattern. There's also something called the buy pattern. So if we go over to daily, let's say we go over to NAS and we go over to current, you can clearly see inside of here, right here, is the complete inverse relationship. Right here, this is green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You don't need 10 charts open. You don't need 30 charts open. You don't need to be looking at sniper this and sniper. You just follow the fucking rules. I'm getting really annoyed hearing about other ways of trading my system. That's not accurate. This is all you do. And there it is again on SPX daily. Boom. Here's US 30 daily. Buy. Boom, boom. Same thing over and over again. This is it. That's all you do. And if you don't understand that, well, then you can get the sniper. The sniper will help you to understand it. Why? Because it tells you how the entry is when it's the accurate one. If you don't understand using the sniper and the system, then you can get the signal service. Come over to here. You can buy your signals. And it will tell you when to do the trade. I can't make this any simpler than I'm doing. Well, I'm making one more accurate, actually, 100% accurate, but we'll get that in a second. All right, look. It told you to do a weekly, buy, it went up. It told you to do a weekly, daily, buy, it went up. It told you to do a weekly, 2, buy, it went up. NAS, look at them. Look at them. Look at them all. Money, 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 money. Every time. Every time. So, yeah, that's it, Hamid. I hope I helped you. Yep, LF George, correct. Also, that 1 hour buy stuff, US 30 called out isn't saying, says Alex. Yep, correct. US 30, 1 hour. And here's US 31 hours. So you can't be on this chart trading 1 hour when you're on a daily, weekly. So you have to go over to your 1 hour, maybe. Oh, I'll close this down. Hold on. We have to go to our 1 hour. Daily, hourly, this one right here. And, we might not see it because of the hourly on this one, but let's take a look anyways. And let's see. See, this isn't reading the hourly because of US 30s in a daily, but this one is. So if you go to SPX hourly, you can see the calls. Yeah, SPX. In other words, US 30, one of the greatest things about the system, it's not going to call a wrong trade 99% of the time it won't. But it will call the correct trade when it's there. There's a difference. Look at how you could just see it. This D right here is a machine gun pre-signal. This is letting you know, a heads up. Hey, look, there might be an hourly 30-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute coming up. When it first happens, which it did right here in a 10-minute, you take the trade, poof, in the money. Simple as that. Simple as that. I don't know how. I keep saying I can't make it simpler. And really, with 2 arrows matching, I don't think I can. That's about as simple as we're going to make it. And that's that. Okay, cool, Hamid. All right. Does anybody else have any other questions before market open? We have time. I can check other symbols. We had a nice call out from Charles Schwab. Fucking fantastic. I took 256 pictures on vacation. I'm getting them all developed from Walgreens for like $30. Walgreens Photo, if you guys have never used it, is fantastic. Walgreens Photo is just amazing what they do. Da, 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 da. Jackson, what's up, Jackson? Andre, hey, Kev, would you mind taking a look at a potential weekly daily sell on sugar? Symbol is, hold on. Symbol is SB1, curious, exclamation point, if you think it will hit its weekly blue line. How would you take the 15-minute and NAS's logo wasn't there? You don't take it. What do you mean, how would you take it? If NAS's 1 hour logo wasn't there, you don't take it. It is there, and it's going to go up and close this gap. It's going to go up and finish. And because you have the sniper down here, it's definitely going to fill this gap, and it's going to go up. But whatever, you wouldn't take the trade. So let's look at sugar. I've never looked at sugar in the history of my trading. SB1 exclamation point. Sure, let's take a look. SB1 exclamation point. Futures, baby. How cool is this? All right. So he's saying on the weekly, let's take a look. 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute. Sugar, sell stop to the 3-minute blue line. Sugar. Yeah, it's going to hit that. 5-minute sell, 10-minute sell. Sugar. Futures. Oh, I love it. 1 hour buy stop to the blue line. Love this one. Sugars. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Buy. Sugars. Been in a hell of a drop here lately. Let's go to daily. Daily sell. I don't know why you're saying this is a daily buy, you asked? Good morning, Kim the Candle Indy. Good morning, Kim. Would you mind taking a look at potential weekly daily sell? Oh, you're looking for sells. Fuck. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, these are not buys. Sorry. Yeah, you missed it. You're a day late. Look, you should have got in the sell right here. This is the first time it happened. You see it? Called it out perfectly. Now, what you're looking for at the current is a daily, weekly is what you're asking me. Let me see. Yes. Yes, I do think it's going to go down. Let me see to where? To the daily. Yes. Absolutely, I would play this. I would play any sell stops. It's going to be a buy, though, long term. Yeah, this is that. Now, be careful. Jesus, hold on. Let me turn this off for us. Don't forget, they form an order. This is 100% a weekly, monthly buy stop. But you know how long that would take to develop? Lord help me. It'll take fucking forever. I don't know what sugar does. Maybe it moves fast. I don't know. But normally, a weekly buy, a monthly, weekly buy would take fucking forever. So in the meantime, yes, there is a daily, weekly sell, which I actually like a lot. You are late to the party. What the hell are these things mean? What is this? Contract switch. Oh, I don't know futures at all. Ironic that when they do a contract switch, though, they seem to make movement, doesn't it? That's funny. There's a buy. There's a buy. Yeah, look at this right here. I don't know what the fuck that means in future of the world, but there's something weird going on with that. I would pay attention to those things. But anyway, first time it happened was here to the blue line, right? To the blue line. Now you're asking me, is it going to go that low? Yes, I think it's going to pull back down again. It's going to come back down again. You missed the first one, be clear on this. You missed the second one, be clear on this. You're asking me for the third time, is sugar going to go down again? You're 2 days late to the party. Yes, I do believe it's going to go down again, but then it's going to turn into a buy. It's going to turn into a weekly, monthly buy, and you should probably put your buy line, follow it down. Let me zoom in for you a little bit. I would put a buy on sugar somewhere up here and let it sit. I don't know anything about sugar. That's what I would do. Now, because this monthly line, see this last time, first time it happened was here. Let me see if we can pull up our weekly dailies here. Final daily. Yeah, this is it. Nope, it can't go up that high. So we don't have it programmed in for monthlies yet because no one has monthlies. These blue lines aren't there and it's impossible to code something that isn't there. But at any rate, yeah, the first time it happened on your monthly, it went up great. This is the second time it's going to happen on the monthly, on a buy. But in the meantime, if you don't want to wait fucking 6 months for a trade, then look for this daily, weekly to sell, to hit, and to come down first. I do believe you'll see it. I do believe you're going to see a tiny little ricochet. You're going to see this hook come down to this blue line again, and then go into whatever it's doing to the buy. Hope that helps. You're welcome, Jackson. So NAS until pink line hits blue line on daily, you can take every 15-minute, 1 hour, and it will be Ajax. No, that's not. You got Ajax. You have selective hearing, bro. You have very much selective hearing. You take any 5-second through daily buy stop on NAS till this hits its blue line on the daily, right? But you only take the first one at market order. The other ones you have to follow the rules entry. So if you're telling me that you're going to take this trade right now, this isn't a buy. You can't take it. You have to follow the rules after the first one. And let me tell you, you're way late on the first one. The very first time this happened would have been back here somewhere. You want to see specifically where? We can turn it on. There it is. So you just don't do a market order and expect it to be 99% accurate. Back here, you could have. Back here, when the first time it happens, you could have. Second time it happens. But no, not now. You're not able to do that. You have to take rule entry orders only. And then, yes, it'll be 99% accurate if you follow the rules. Hope you understand that, Ajax. You're welcome, Jackson. What's up, Kenneth? Good morning, Kenneth. Good morning, Kim, again. Does anybody have any questions or concerns or positive comments? The system has been being used and refined and helped with you guys for the last 2 years on TikTok, well over 2 years. We're almost 2 years on YouTube. This September or August is 2 years on, coming up on 2 years on YouTube, over 1,700 videos. We've already made money with gold, NAS, US 30, and SPX this morning. Probably a whole bunch of other ones I called out we're not paying attention to. Nothing happened on our little scanner. We have to hope for a pullback before market open, and then we can get into some more money again is what I'm hoping for, but I don't know. We'll see. Oh, yay, we might be in it. Play any. NAS, play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second sell stop to the 10-second blue line on NAS. Oh, we can't call SPX. Ooh, we can't call US 30. NAS. Only one I can call on that one. Fuck. Oh, well. Maybe we'll see it. Already hit its 5-second. Be careful with that one. See, it already did its 10-second too towards it. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to hit it. It means it goes towards. It's called the H&H scanner for horseshoes and hand grenades, by the way. Today is a beginner's class. Well, probably about 5, 10, 15, 20 people in there at 1 o'clock. At 2 o'clock, 2:15, 2 o'clock probably, I'll be doing the advanced training. And then you guys can ask all kinds of questions. That's when you get to do your Q&As on the advanced training Mondays at 2:15, 2 o'clock. It'll be done through YouTube. Will NAS pull back? Yes, but the rules are 1 hour logo. So next will be the 4-hour time frame. Well, it depends. I mean, yeah, I mean, if everything's perfect, sure. Yeah, just follow the rules, Ajax. You can't miss it. Will it pull back to the 15-minute line? That's what I'm hoping for. Usually what you see in this type of thing, see, just like it did the other day right here, watch. This is what it did, yesterday it looks like, or whenever, Sunday, Friday, probably Friday. It pulled down, see this? Then it hooked and went up. This is exactly what we want to have happen today. The exact, see how it went up? Boop, 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 going up, but we want it to go up, pull back down, let our little logo and our little sniper fire off red again, doop, 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 and then we'll see that pull up. 1 time on the 1 hour, 2 times on the 1 hour. This is the 3rd time. I don't know why I said 4. This is the 3rd time on the 1 hour. So yeah, we're going to need a pullback for any entries on this. We need NAS to come down. We need SPX to come down. We need US 30 to come down. I don't know. If we don't get any kind of pull down at open, and the only hope it looks like to me is NAS. If we don't get a good pull down before open, we can't even trade open. I'm not going to touch it. I'm already in long-term buys anyways. I'm just saying I can't touch it. We need NAS. It looks like our only hope is for NAS to come down. So this is what we want to have happen at open. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. I just don't see it at SPX. I just don't see it at US. So look at why. All green, a sea of green, 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 green. Sea of green, 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 green. NAS, red. There you go. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Anyone on TikTok have any more questions? YouTube, any questions? We have about a little less than 30 minutes to market open. If we get a pullback on NAS, I'll trade it with you live. If we don't, I'm not trading. I doubt we'll see SPX before then. I mean, 30 minutes is a long time, don't get me, but I don't know, maybe. We might have a better opportunity with gold. I might look at gold to do some buys on gold. We'll see. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh, don't forget for 1 second, I'm not a financial advisor. We only demo trade here. I am a little tired, but I got a little bit of sleep last night. 4th day of fasting. I already did all my Wim Hof breathing. I did my oxygen with therapy breathing. I did my inversion therapy. I did mini tramp. I did some weightlifting. I did my grounding outside. I did I did some treadmill work with you guys when I was doing it, only about 40 minutes. I'm currently 2-day dry fasting, 2-day water fasting. I think my 5th day started, 4th day, 5th day. I think by 2 o'clock is my 5th day of my fast. I'm going to be fasting for the next, I don't know, 10 to 14 days, maybe a little longer. Just doing it for fun, no particular reason. And then I will break my fast with some good juice, vegetable juice, maybe some berries, and then go into actual, eating after half day, whatever. Rocket, positive comment is a genuine thank you to you and Bree for the perseverance to build the system and then the patience to release it to all of us. Oh, thanks, Rocket. That's very nice. Appreciate that, Rocket. Appreciate that very much. Yes, we didn't. Let's be clear on something. When I first had the system come out, I didn't release it to anybody for a year, I don't know, almost a year and a half, because I wanted to get my money back and I didn't want anything fucking with it. So I kept the system to myself for like a year and a half. I didn't release it. I made my $26,500 back on the first month, by the way, within the first month. And yeah, Bree works very hard. Bree answers all of your emails, or nearly all of them. She's patient as a saint with some of you. If I was answering those emails, let me tell you that, we'd probably have half the people. Yeah, so you guys, a huge thank you to Bree, trust me. Not only is she the most beautiful heart and soul in the world, the most beautiful physically looking woman in the world, she's the nicest, kindest person in the world too. Heart of gold. Thank God we were, been blessed. We've known each other for 6 years. We've been married for 1. Coming up on our anniversary, July 28th. 1-year wedding anniversary. October will be, it's November, will be 6 years we know each other. Oh, end of October. Fastest 6 years of my life too, boy. Time flies when you're having fun. Yeah. Love my wife no matter what. How did you two meet? What's up, Kelly? I saw her, well, I don't know, the unofficial way is I saw her at a restaurant and I approached her. I was like, whoa, who is this beautiful woman? If you haven't noticed, I'm not too shy at all. Let me see what's going on with gold. Yeah, nice. Gold hit its 15-second. Let's see if gold can go back. Yeah, it will. Let me see if it's ricochet. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Cynthia. Yeah, our trip to St. John, St. Thomas was for our 1-year anniversary. We took it early so we could miss hurricanes. And ironically enough, Burl, whatever the fuck the thing name is, formed. It's the only time, the biggest hurricane in history, but it missed us completely. Like in June, there's been no hurricanes. So we went at the end of June for July. They've never had any big hurricanes. And then, of course, this year they did, but we weren't affected at all. We had perfect weather in St. Thomas. Perfect weather. I wish I could show you. Did I not post some pictures in Discord? Hold on a second. I know you guys, let's go back to training. Well, fuck it. We're not going back to training for a minute. Maybe here. Congratulations to Stefano. Yay. Yay. Oh, yeah. Here's a picture. I don't know if this does it justice. Let's see if we can open it. Look at this. This picture, by the way, was taken for Bree from a cab we were in. This is not a Google image. This is the beach we were at called Trunk Bay. If you've never been to St. John, this water goes from dark, deep blue to lighter blue to like an emerald green to green to green to green to the most beautiful blue. It's incredible. This doesn't do it justice. And this is the beach we were at, Trunk Bay. Absolutely the most stunning, beautiful. I've been to Mexico, Cabo. I've been to Sandestin, Florida. I haven't been to Hawaii, but my parents have been yet. I don't think I want to go actually. But yeah, this is incredible. If you see this, I don't know if it's doing it justice on TikTok. This water is crystal clear. Matter of fact, we swam with a stingray. Well, we were walking next to a stingray. Well, he was swimming, whatever. And it was just spectacularly gorgeous. This is not a Google image. This is from my wife taking a picture out of a cab. Crazy gorgeous. Crazy beautiful. And then this, yep, this is the same beach, actually. This is the same trunk. Just gorgeous. Sand, crystal white. This water you can see forever. Just picture perfect. I thought we posted one from our motel room. Hold on. Well, our condo. Look at this beach. Look at this thing. Look at that. This is a panoramic shot. Look at this. Crazy gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see. Everyone in the world should go to St. John, St. Thomas once in their life. So I can tell you, in Memphis, we have a good. Hi, Precious. Da 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 da. I'm showing. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Amazing. I don't. Again, I don't know how to explain how beautiful that was. Oh yeah, here's a picture of Secret Harbor in this is where we stayed, and the beach was almost as beautiful as the Trunk Bay one. Just gorgeous. This water, it was perfect for scuba diving. It had some coral around there, whatever reef it was, and you can scuba dive, and it was just, you can see all kinds of fishes. It was just spectacular. And this is the weather we had. See that blue sky? We were there 6 nights, 7 nights, six nights, 7 days, or 7 nights, 8 days. I don't remember, whatever. And it was just picture perfect clear. I mean, St. John and St. Thomas. And there's this guy, a cabbie there named Vince. Super nice guy. Just gorgeous. You're welcome, Stefano. Anybody have questions over our trip? Anybody want to know about St. John, St. Thomas? 3 minute almost hit his blue line again. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Was there the jetpack, what you put under your feet? No, we didn't go to, I heard at one of the beaches they had that. We didn't go to that beach, Jan. We did not go to a beach like that. We didn't even do parasailing either. But we just enjoyed the walk. Me and Bree are the least. We stayed in Florida at one of our houses for 6 months and never went to the beach, the actual beach, one time. We stayed in the water 6 hours on the beach one day, 8 hours another day when we were in St. John, St. Thomas. The water temperature was perfect. That's close enough, by the way, for your buy. What is this? Gold. The water temperature was perfect. The beach was perfect. Not hardly anyone on the beaches. We had a private beach, obviously, at Secret Harbor, so there was no one there. But it was just amazing. I cannot, if you ever go to Secret Harbor on St. Thomas, and it's just spectacular. The condos, there were 1,600 square foot condo we stayed in, and it's right on the, you could walk out of your room and walk onto the beach. You couldn't get anything prettier. You could not get anything prettier. Yes, but Maldives that I visited 2 years ago were just spectacular. Yeah, I bet you it was. I heard the Maldives was pretty too. I don't know. I couldn't imagine it being better than Trunk Bay, though, in St. John's. The flight there was 3 hours and like 30 minutes. I think it was 3 hours, supposed to be 3 hours and 40 minutes on the way home, but good luck on that. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. Thank you for being both on TikTok and YouTube, Mike, and D Nice and Raider Trader. The flight was fine, but horrible coming home. I think we talked about that. I'm literally going to look into that flying club thing because I don't know. I don't want to spend $5,000 or $10,000. I don't. Even if I become a billionaire, I'm not going to spend $10,000 on a fucking private flight. I ain't going to do it. It's just in my core. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I'm just not built to spend money like that. I can't do it. What I am built to spend money on, Lord willing, is I'm get to get my two children brand new Toyotas, I think, or Hondas. I'll depend on what I go with. I'm buying them 2 new cars, hopefully next week, actually. That's what I choose to spend my money on. I'm not sure exactly which Toyota we're getting, but it's going to be a Toyota almost for surely. Me and Bree have 4Runners. And the reason why we got 4Runners, well, A, Bree loves 4Runners, but C is the tax write-off. 4Runners are 6,000 pounds. You can write them off for taxes. Do. We're looking at gold right now, 32nd. I've called out US 30 NAS, SPX, gold, ER, USD, GBP, JPY, GBP, USD, Amazon, XRP, Ethereum, and a couple other ones people asked about. If you want me to check out any other symbols, let me know. We're waiting for a pullback on NAS before we can enter in a trade for a buy, or a pullback on NAS, SPX, and US 30. If US 30 and SPX just drop down artificially like they do that with their bullshit, absolutely will buy in. Absolutely. Oh, you're in the money on your gold buy, by the way. I told you to do for the second time this morning. You're in the money. Not bad. No, 3 hour, 4 hour flight. Yeah. And then it looks like Bree and I just got back from Vegas a little bit ago, but it looks like Bree and I are going back to Vegas, Lord willing, for a month in September, end of July, end of August, September. We're going to go back to Vegas again for a month. But the one house we stayed at is kind of semi-booked, so we can't stay at that house. We have to go to a new house, which is fine. Nice, Jan. Love the system. Already made 12.5% by the system. Nice. And we're driving back to Vegas again, by the way. Let's see if NAS has pulled back at all. And no, it has not. Fuck. SPX. See, there's nothing we can do. If this doesn't pull back, buy stop 32nd, US 30. If this doesn't pull back, oh, we are fucked. It switched to green. Yeah, there's no hope. I don't think we're going to have anything to play at open. No. Gold, 15-second buy stop to the blue line. 30-second blue line. We're not going to have anything to play at open. Wow, this has been the most boring open ever. We got to hope for a pullback, like false, fake. What's up, Azar? Good morning. Don't forget, you can buy the system at SafeTrade.com, SafeTrade.com, $575 a year is ridiculously cheap. I didn't want to talk about it. Only 3 left. We got to tell Precious. Yep. If you want to get the system, you will get training after you buy it live with me. For instance, today at 1 o'clock for all the new people who just bought only. There's a training session I'll be doing today. And then there's advanced training I do every other Monday also. So every other Monday you get advanced training. And if you're a newbie, you get your original training, your first session. Advanced training will be at about 2:15 today. And it'll last about 20, 30 minutes. And you'll be able to ask any and all questions you want there, and I will answer them. And you get rules. This is a step-by-step system. We have rules here. If you follow the rules, boop, 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 exactly, well, then you can see what's happening and what's supposed to happen, what's going to happen. Because what happens is I, through Keith, was able to code the way the rules work. And the rules are now coded in. And the rules show, well, they were 100% win rate with the original signals. And we've modified the signals to form, to control the logo better. So you should even have better win rate. We were 65-0 through April 15th with the signals when I quit counting them because there's too many sent out now. So the signals were 100% win rate as far as I'm aware, still at 100% win rate. And yeah, you can actually, there'll be another buy stop on gold here soon. You can actually make money with them. So if you buy the system, it's all you need. All you need is the OG right here, green, green, red, green, green, buy stop. You're in the money on your gold. There's your buy line right here. This is the sniper if you want that, $150 a month, totally optional, don't need it. And if you want the signal service, which is what these blue lines are, that's an additional $150 to $350 a month, but you don't need it. You can see green, 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 red, green, green. Can't you see it? You can see it. You can trade. This right here is all you need. This right there. So you don't need any sniper, even though I'll never trade without it. You don't need it. $575 for a year. Ridiculously cheap. $5,000 for gold. But I want Mike to come on. I want him to talk to you about that and that scam fucking artist douche. Can't believe my brother did that. That was years ago. Mike did that. Never once even sent him a signal. Should have sued his ass for fraud. Giving them those vehicles is going to be a great feeling. Yes, Rocket, it is. Can't wait. And not only that, thank you, Azar, saying buy the system. Yes, Rocket. And then when I give them the cars, and I've also bought them a house. So they already have their houses, technically. I bought them each a house, and now I'm giving them each a car. Nothing like helping your family. Everybody, it cracks me up, and I'm not going to get into any of my extended family members. There's an extended family member, not my immediately brothers and sisters, let's just say. And they have millions of dollars, and they're going to leave the vast fortune of their millions of dollars to charities instead of other people in the family. And they can do whatever they want with their money. Anyone can do whatever you want. I don't give two rats' asses, whatever you guys do with your money. But my view on how to help people is you start with family first and you work your way out. Until everybody in your family is thriving and living comfortably, you don't give money to charities. You can give a little. Hell, I was giving out $100 tips to taxi cab drivers, to servers when we were in St. Thomas. That's not what I'm talking about. You help other people. What I'm talking about is when you're giving away $1 million to some charity that doesn't know who the fuck you are, get out of here. They need to help other family members first. And that's my view. I don't care if you like it. I don't care if you agree with it. I don't give a fuck what you think. I'm telling you, I help my children. I help my brother. I help my sisters. I help my brothers, my sister. I help my nieces and nephews. I help everybody in my family with large amounts of money. I'm not saying small. Then after that, I will help other people. It's family. It's God first, then family, and that's it. I don't give two fucks. I'm not giving my money away to some loser ass charity I know nothing about. That's useless. That who knows what the fuck they're going to do with the money. Get out of here. When family needs help, you help them out. Oh, good. 7 minutes to mark. Oh. All right, market open in just a few minutes. We'll review a few things and hope for the best. Da 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 da. Check out the salaries management of charities are on. I know, right, Leon? You're right. CZ 478 500%. You're right. Cool. I agree, Raider Trader. Giving those. Yep, I agree. Yep. It's all I care about. Fuck. And no offense to any of you, and we've gone out of our way to help each and every one of you, but I don't know who you are. The only people I've ever known from this group that I've ever seen before in my life is Mike Galinsky, my best friend of 40 years, and then Keith. I met Keith. We met Keith. My wife and I met Keith in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And other than that, I don't know who any of you are. I'm trying to help each and every one of you, but I don't know who you are. By the way, this is your byline for gold. Look how beautiful that is. Let's see. 3 minutes sell stop to the blue line for gold. "15-second buy stop gold to the blue line." Ah, there it goes. Now, do we get any pullback? Nope. NAS? Nope. US 30, US 30. Come on, US 30. Okay. US 30. I'm getting desperate here at this point. I'm just trying to create something for you guys. US 30 looks like our best bet for a pullback at market open, maybe. And it's only forming a 1 minute buy stop. 1 minute buy stop, US 30. I don't know what to tell you. We need a pullback, and we don't see anything on US 30, nothing on NAS, and nothing on SPX. So we need it to artificially pull down. Look at my little brother. Actually, he's my older brother. Good morning. Da da da. 5 minutes to market open or so. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. 10 viewers for free for you. The fuck out of here with your fucking bullshit. What the fuck was that shit? Hold on. No motherfucking scumbag assholes. Oh, 3 minutes to market open. Hey, don't trade B. Oh, okay. I got rid of them, I guess. What the fuck was that bullshit? Don't you fucking come on my fucking channel and start pushing shit. All right. Anyway, don't play the market open in 3 minutes. If you're going to play the market open, lock in profits. I have buy stops only in. I have a long-term buy on SPX. So much money is a joke. I have a long-term buy on NAS. Oh, well, here. I'll just show you. Those are the only trades I have open right now in this small account. So proud of that AUD USD one, the AUD USD one. I'm so happy. I'm up 16, 17, 1,800 pips on NAS, and I'm more happy about like 8 pips on the other one. Anywho, so we're going to hope for a pullback on US 30. If we can see a pullback on US 30, we'll take it before market open. Buy stop, 1 minute, US 30. Put it up here somewhere. That's all I got. There's nothing else you could do. I can't call a sell. US 30, 15-second sell. No, 10-second sell. All right, US 30, 10-second sell towards its blue line. Or if you don't want to play that, 1 minute buy stop, US 30. Or if you don't want to play that, then just sit back and wait because there's nothing else to do. Market open in a couple minutes. There's just nothing we can do. Nothing we can do. Nothing we can do. Hi ho the Mario. There's nothing we can do. Hi ho the Mario. There's nothing we can do. I don't know what to do. There really is nothing we can do. US 30 pullback. Well, kind of, not really. It's a tiny one. I don't know. Market open in less than a minute. Don't play the market open if you don't know anything. If you want to play it, look for a 10-second sell to the blue line. You might see a little quick pull down. This is what I'm waiting for anyways. And then if not, look for that buy on the 1 minute US 30. I personally like the buy better, but whatever. Market open, market open, market open. Let's go. 10, 9, 8. Who cares? Come on. Let's see if NAS can pull. What we want is a little drop. We want it to pull down hard, pull it down hard, and then pop back up. That's what we want. So if we can get a nice big artificial pull down, take that sell. You're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on the US 30 buy. You're in the money on the US 30 buy. You're in the money on the US 30 buy. You're in the money on the US 30 buy. You're in the money on the US 30 buy. Here's my trade. That's my live trade for the US 30 buy right here. In the money on the US 30 buy. Close down the trade. You're in the money on the US 30 buy. You're in the money on the US 30 buy. You can close that down now. No need to hold it open. I'm going to lock in profit actually instead of closing it. Locking in profit on US 30. The US 30, what did NAS do? US 30 buy is in the money. NAS, beautiful. The fuck are we doing? Look at NAS pull back, baby. NAS, buy stop, 3 minute. NAS, buy. I'm not entering that trade. I've already been in the other one. Look at US 30 go. Look at fucking US $200. Make you holla. Look at that go. What an easy trade. $220, $230. Buy stop NAS. Buy stop NAS. 3 minute. Look at US 30 go. Woo! Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bam! Fuck yeah. Woo! Easy money US 30. Easy money. 250. Damn, motherfucker. We made how many fucking pips did we just make? What the fuck did that just do? That's over 100 pips. We caught every fucking pip. 152 pips live. Woo! And we caught 136 of them. 140 of them. Holy shit, mofo. There we go. It's a small account. I'm very happy with this. 150 pips live. Traded live, called out with you, traded with you. Woo! Who's in the money on gold? And who's the money on US 30? Let me see if we're in the money on what? NAS. I don't know. Let's take a look at NAS and SPX now. Nope, not yet. Buy stop NAS, 3 minute. Buy stop NAS. You're in the money on the buy stop NAS. Take this money and run. Now look at NAS go. Look at NAS go. Look at SPX go. Look at you buy the system. Woo! Who just made money on that NAS? I just called it out. You should have been in here. Oh my gosh, you'd have just made somewhere from here to here. Look at NAS go. Boom, 145. Oh my goodness gracious. That's 14 pips. Sorry, NAS is 14. Look at US 30 go. Look at it go. Holy shit. Was that a correct call by the system and by me? Look at that shit. Boom, gold in the money, gold in the money, US 30 in the money, odds USD in the money, US 30 in the money, NAS in the money, SPX in the money. Buy the system and make money consistently. Buy the system, make money consistently. Look at this fucking shit. Look at NAS, called out live, traded live. Look at US 30, called out live, traded live. I didn't call out NAS, same, or SPX, same thing. Boom, gold called out. Look at this shit. Now, gold, be careful with, so let's complete this 3-minute sell. SPX, kicking ass. NAS, kicking ass. US 30. I don't even know if you can look at it. Look at US 30. Oh, my gosh. Printing money, printing money. We're up 200 pips on US 30 this morning. 200 pips on US 30. And I thought it was going to be a boring morning. Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. Wow, buy the system. Did anyone else catch that money? Thank you, God. I better see some thank you gods out there or we're going to make this done. Look at this shit. Look, thank you, God. Absolutely, Azar. Marley Mar, fireworks, congratulations. Who made some money? TikTok's calling out. What about US 30? Hello? Hello? I told you. Hello? Multiple times usually. All right, look at it go. Look at it go. Who called it out live? Who traded it with you live? Look at your money. There's your gold money. That's your US 30 money from this morning. Sorry, hold on. Wherever all this is, there's your buys, there's your entries, there's today's date. Pop, 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 pop. There's the trade from the other day, Friday, I think it was, or whenever that was. Here's the trade from a long time ago. Look at them. Look at them. Look at this shit. This is insanity. Lock in profit. Lock in your profit and let it run. Look at that fucking money. Look at that fucking money we made. Insanity. 200 pips. Look at that. Oh, look at, oh my gosh, look at NAS. Hold on. Hold on. Where's NAS blowing to? Are we going to get a 15-minute buy? Go down to 30. Hold on. Hold on. We're going to get another chance for NAS. NAS. 1 hour. 1 hour buy stop NAS off this line. Holy fuck, that's too tempting. Hold on. I'm already in NAS. I'm already in NAS. I'm already in NAS. I'm already in NAS. I'm going to put a buy stop in place for NAS, though. We'll see. We'll see if that one comes out or not. US 30 pullback, I agree as well. US 30 is insane. What the fuck? Amazing. Said Filio made it on NAS. Good job, Casey. NAS, $192. Good job, Bob. US 30 rocketing, motherfucker. Good Gladex. Thank you, God. Amen, Jan. Thank you, God. Amen, Kim. Awesome, guys. Look at that. I am very tempted for that US 30. I am definitely. Look at fucking what the. Hold on. We're going back to US 30. Look at US 30. What the fuck? Holy shit. Look, 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 look. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. We caught every fucking penny of that shit. Yeah. Buy stop NAS 1 hour off the, you don't have that EMA yet. We're updating it soon. Buy stop NAS 1 hour. Buy stop NAS 1 hour. I put it right here off this line. I did it anyways. That's where I put mine at. Buy stop. But this US 30, fuck. Woo! Oh my gosh. If you guys can't get excited about this, I don't know what to tell you. Look at it. I told you that the daily, weekly US 30 is a buy. How many times I have to fucking say the same thing? Look at how many times I told you to get in, got in with you. Look at it. Look, I told you that the US 30 was better than all of them because this pink line hasn't gone up yet. Just wait till it starts calling off more and more trades. I told you to get in 3 different times, 1, 2, and 3, including today, that'd be 4. Look at that shit. Here's the first one right here. Up over 1,300 pips. Fuck out of Dodge. Show me another trader that does this live. Tell me another trader that does this live. Good luck. You're welcome, Azor. Look at that. Anyone else out there want to say thank you, God? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this fucking, look at what it calls. Look at your buy stops. Look at it. Look at that shit. Oh, fuck. Incredible. Let me see something here. Put your loving on me. In the money on your NAS buy stop. You're in the money on your NAS buy stop. You're in the money on your NAS buy stop. Put your loving on me, baby. You're at the money on your NAS buy stop. Right there, 21 bucks. Take it and run. No need to stay in the trading longer than you have. This is NAS buy, as called out live by me. Boy, did we pig the bottom on that one. Take the money out and run. US 30 in the money. Take the money and run. SPX is in the money. Gold is in the money multiple times. Take the money and run or not. Doesn't matter. This is gold dropping down to its 3-minute blue line right here. Watch and see. SPX in the money. NAS is in the money. US 30, so much money. I don't even know what the fuck to do with it all. Holy shit. Nothing. Thank God. Look at this shit. Look at, you couldn't have caught any more money. Go to the Forex, go to the safetytrade.com. Go to the safetytrade.com, buy the system, learn how to trade for once in your lives. And then you can go to St. John, St. Thomas. All right. I'm out of here. I'm done. Nothing else I can call. Nothing else I can call. Do the NAS buy stop if you like. I'm not a financial advisor. Demo trade only. Holy shit, are we making money? Gladex been holding this money. Caught every 1,000 pips on US 30. Oh, nice, Gladex. Now, Gladex, if you don't buy the system, I'm going to have to take you out of the videos. Boom. Thank you, Kev. Nice, Stefan. Gladex, have you bought yet, brother? I swear to God. You made 1,000 pips, my friend. You get time to buy. All right, I'm going to go. Anyone on TikTok have any questions before I go? Anyone at all? Questions on TikTok. I'm heading over to YouTube just for a second. Questions on TikTok going once. Questions on TikTok going twice. Questions on TikTok going 3 times. Anyone at all? Wow, that was fun. Wow, that was a blast. I love those opens. All right. Nothing on TikTok. God bless you all on TikTok. Have a great day. I'll be on later this evening, I'm sure. Maybe I can close this down. Okay, YouTube. Any questions on YouTube? Any questions on YouTube? Nee, baby. Yeah, you made money. Look at that. You made good money on that NAS. Poof. Put your loving on me, baby. 1 p.m. today. I don't understand your question. There's no question there. The 1 p.m. is just training for new people who bought the system. If you're not new, you don't get to train at 1 o'clock. If you've already bought the system, there'll be 2:15, 2 o'clock training at 2 o'clock. There'll be an email go out 5 minutes before the training with, it's going to be on YouTube. You're welcome, banner video. Put your loving on me, boy. Put your loving on me. Look at that fucking money, money, money all across the board on everything. Wow. God is good. All right, peeps.